Good morning. I'm going to talk about our work that was a package called SEPCI to compute spatially explicit competition index. So competition between trees is something that affects the process of trees and stands, like for example growth, but it's something that you can measure. It's like a latent factor. So there is not a consensus on how to create a number that represents this competition in a tree. So there are different ways. One is at taking variables at tree and stand level and computing it with this. Another one is taking in account the positions of the trees. And now it's more common that we have this data. But this is not so easy to compute via software. At the moment, there is one good package that is called ZipLab, that is from another colleague. But it's not so easy to use. So we built this package called SEPCI upon this other package called ZipLab to help persons that are not so software savvy to use this kind of competition index. So the approach that the package follows is you need the stand with the positions. Then you need to define how the competitors are going to be selected. So you have a tree, you can select the competitors, for example, with a fixed radius. For example, the n more near neighbors. You can also use some influence area overlap, angle sampling counting, or you can use also a inverted cone that is like kind of the most new approach. So where the inverted cone that has the point in the tree cuts other tree, those are the ones that compete. And once you have the competitors, the index, most of them are just summatories of effects, so the effects of one tree over the other. And this effect can be computed in different ways. We did some review and pre-made using ZipLab some of the index, for example, HECG, ALEM-DAG. So, well, we put the name of the people that made the papers. And also one thing that we made is that sometimes you want to use some traits that depend on the tree and are not always constant. For example, volume over a point, chrome projection area over a point. So we facilitated these things to use it in other index. And well, the package is now in ResearchGate. Hopefully we will put it in CRAN. So there is like a QR, and that's all. Thank you.